Hello everybody, Snapchat is working in the computer now. Like you see, I'm just using this head of the computer screen. Let's see that. Oh wow, so this features has been added to the computer too, and I really like it. Look at this one. Let's see that. Oh, it's nice, sounds modern. This is all the good features except this one. This make me ugly. I like this one, the computer screen. It make me a professional in the computer. Isn't that right? Huh? Sounds scary now. Never mind. Let's just go and show you how to download this. So guys, just go to snapcamera.snap.com. You could see the link in the description too, and just click here, download Snap Camera. That's what they call it, and you have to just read this if you have time. I always skip. Anyways, you have to agree this privacy policy and agree the Snap Camera Alliance agreement and the terms of service, and you have to put your email and check if you are not a robot. This is a security check, and you could download it finally in the Mac or PC, and like that you will be done. And after that you will see the app called Snap Camera. Also you could use it in live streams of Twitch. So I hope to see you guys using it today. See ya later, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will show more support in the future. Bye bye.